Menteri Rangba Kajala Meghalaya Conrad Gesangma ula kentat yaki Jingkynnoh badan kekam Khlong Uranium harilum Garo bat benrap bagi bakeno ki diban sei daki Sabut. Kani ke jubab Menteri Rangba kadai hadin ke jelang kenhun Menteri ke Sarkar MDA2 haka janmiat jangka khat santari urisau araja arpusan halor ke jingkeli dakilat pathai kubor namar ke jingkran ubernat en marak MDC cha GHADC natura haka khat sautari urisau araja arpusan. Ulaong baki noy alam kimdai banyalam bakla bat kidai ban kersan yaki Jingkynnoh jongki daki sakhi Sabut baladaki la nakaliang ke Sarkar kan le ya kabadan kam. Dak bapen pau bak Sarkar ke scam haka rai banam syak Khlong Uranium haka jela Menteri Rangba ulaong balada don AA kum ke Sarkar kan yok bet yaki jingtip.
There is no any kind of activity or any kind of evidence or any kind of information that has to reflect that any kind of such activity is going on. Leaders in responsible positions should not just come out with statements just because they want to grab attention or maybe just make a statement. If it is the case, then definitely it's a matter of concern. And if it is so, let them come out with the details and the proof. And definitely, if there is any such problem that's happening, Government of Meghalaya will be the first one to act on it. I have made our position very clear that we are very firm that uranium mining should not take place, and there could be situations where some incidents could be there which may not have come to the notice of the government. So if there is, and if the evidence is there, and if information is there, then please give that to us, and we'd be more than happy to act and take necessary action on it.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la aikan diat bat ka bathau bha. Kam kata ika dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Kan nutrition bakam bhag, ka jing im bakam bhag, pendon kam daki mar ba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.